When you look at a city, what do you see? Tall buildings, bright lights, people rushing to work. But beneath that noise, there's another world, a quieter one, a world of unseen hands that keep everything alive. This is their story. The secret jobs that keep cities breathing, the work we never notice, the people we never see. At 3 a.m., when most of us are asleep, they begin. Brushes, water, and patience, turning last night's chaos into this morning's order. They don't chase fame or followers, just clean streets every single dawn. Because someone has to make the world look new again. While stations are empty and platforms echo, they inspect tracks, signals, and engines. Without them, tomorrow's journeys never begin. They are the invisible engineers of movement. When the trains rest, they don't. A single spark keeps a city alive. And somewhere, in a control room or on a dark roadside, someone is fixing a wire, restoring what we take for granted electricity. They bring light to millions and yet remain unseen in the shadows. Every city creates waste, but few know where it goes. Long before sunrise, trucks move through narrow streets, lifting, sorting, cleaning. It's not glamorous work, but without it, civilization collapses. They take away what we leave behind, and with it, our carelessness. In the stillness of the night, ovens roar to life. Flour turns into bread, silence turns into warmth. When you hold a fresh croissant in your hand, you hold someone's sleepless night. They make the mornings smell alive. Under harsh lamps and cold air, they pour asphalt, patch cracks, rebuild what time destroys. While we sleep, they carve tomorrow's path. When you drive in comfort, remember the hands that paved the way. Rain, cold, traffic, hunger, it doesn't matter. A rider on a scooter weaves through the chaos, delivering something small, but meaningful food, medicine, hope. They are the veins of the city, carrying life from one door to another. In the places where life and death meet, they move quietly with a mop and a mask. They disinfect, they clean, they make sure the next patient enters a safe room. No one claps for them, but without them, even healing would be impossible. At 2 a.m., markets bloom. Fish, fruit, and vegetables arrive in chaos and color. Vendors shout, laugh, bargain, turning the night into business. By sunrise, they've already worked half a day. They feed the city before it wakes. At midnight, the last bus returns. And in a quiet garage, another shift begins. Mechanics check engines, fix brakes, change oil. Tomorrow's commuters depend on tonight's sleepless work. Their hands keep the wheels of the city turning. The city never sleeps because they don't. Every street, every light, every morning is built on their shoulders. They're not famous. They don't make headlines, but they make life possible. So next time you walk through a clean street, catch a train, eat fresh bread, or turn on a light, remember them. Because behind every modern city, there are 1,000 hidden stories and 1,000,000 unseen workers who keep it alive. Why we live the way we do, how the world really works when no one is watching. This is Wai Hao Wen. Subscribe to Wai Hao Wen